and this is a diverging lens. Now, if the rays are incident, now first optic axis we have to define. No? Okay, this is the optic axis. So here the rays after refraction, they will diverge from a point. Okay, now we will having the blank, it will be much easier. Some other color. Let me adjust it properly. Yeah. This is the principal axis. Okay, this is the optic center. This is the rays. What happened? A parallel beam of light when incident on a lens. If the rays diverge, if the refracted rays they appear to diverge from a point. So this particular thing is called like a first focus or second focus. It is called as second principal focus. So this is the principal. We are discussing diverging lens. Then similarly, if the rays, if object is kept similarly, if the incident rays, if they appear to converge at a point after refraction, if they become parallel, and this will be very important. The diagram. Let me choose a point first. After refraction. Okay, look at the rays. This is the optic center P or G. This is the first focus. This is the first focus. So this will be F1. This is also a diverging lens. So how you define first principal focus, second principal focus for parallel beam of light after refraction? If the rays appear to diverge from a point, the point of divergence will be the second principal focus. If the rays appear to converge at if the incident rays appear to converge at a point. After refraction, if the rays become parallel, after refraction, if the rays become parallel, then the point of convergence of incident rays will become first principal focus. So, if a, a, a parallel beam of light after refraction from diverging lens, the refracted rays appear to diverge from a point on an optic axis or principal axis, both are same. Appear to diverge from a point on an optic axis, that point is called second principal focus. Now, a beam of light, a converging beam of light, right, is incident on a diverging lens after refraction. After refraction, the refracted rays become parallel to optic axis. The point of convergence of incident rays is called first principal focus. Okay, these are both are, it's a diverging lens. So what it does, it will diverge the rays. The rays coming, it will diverge them. So altogether the lens we can just classify it converging lens, diverging lens. And we define principal focus. Practically what will happen if the medium on either side is same, we can just equate this focus where F is called as a just simple mere called as a focus. Or some books what they call object for object kept at infinity, where the image formed, the location of the image will be the second principal focus. Object at infinity means the rays are incident parallel only. Okay, now we'll go for the curve tracing. The next part will be the curve tracing. Curve tracing means for different types of. Okay, I'll bring this lens and we'll copy.